Hi everyone, my name is Jeff. Today is Cabochon cutting day, and today I'm going to be cutting a piece of Jefferite into a teardrop shape. Welcome to Rocket Rose Art. Today is fairly straightforward. I have a piece here that I started on and put aside because I didn't really think it was worth a lot, but I'm going to finish it off today, and it's going to be a bit like a teardrop shape. If you haven't been here before and you liked the video and you'd like to see more, please subscribe and turn on the notifications. That would be appreciated. And any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below and I will definitely answer them. Just to remind you that I cut these on diamond wheels. The one I use primarily is a 360 grit diamond wheel. At the end I polish the cab by a fire polish in a kiln. This makes the whole process a little easier for me, but the material can be polished using normal lapidary techniques, taking it through all the grits and then finally polishing it on cerium oxide. Not absolutely sure how this is going to go. It's probably going to be like a teardrop shape. We'll lose quite a bit of that on the top there, I think. It'll end up just a blue-green, I would think. There's a lot of clear material on the top, so it doesn't have a lot of structure. I think once we round that over, we'll lose a lot of that. As I said, this one I'm not too sure how it's going to go, but we'll just see what happens. I think the first thing I'm going to do is just flatten the top a little bit. And we'll see what happens with that goldy top there. I think it is going to go away. So I think I'll put that on a Dop Stick. It's fairly hard for me to hold, and we'll go from there. So just warm up the stone as usual, and our wax. Don't warm it up, it won't stick. Alright, let's see how we go with this one. Get that shape right to start off with. That's it, drop it. A little bit of adjustment. Now, Get an angle on the sides. And then we start rolling in. Okay, let's try and smooth out everything a bit and we'll see how it looks. It's getting there. It's a little bit pointy on the top. Do a little adjustments. We actually did keep a little bit of that pink on the top. I think that looks pretty good. We'll put that one in the kiln. Well, I think that went well. No big surprises there. The only thing about it that I'm not too sure about is there is a splash of orange right on the top. I think maybe I should have cut that out if I cut a little bit deeper. But, well, that's the way it is, and that's the way it's going to stay now. So if you like that video and you want to watch a couple more, you'll find some suggested videos up here and down here. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.